Hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all present here. I am Mrs. Rashmi and it gives me immense joy to stand before you as the administrator of the Tiny Steps Chikasandra branch in the presence of our young, energetic and enthusiastic parents. Each of you eagerly waiting to witness the wonderful performance of our little star have prepared. We can already see bright and exciting smile all around. So why keep them waiting any longer? Let's begin the Tiny Steps third annual day celebration with a great pump, color and cheer. Today is a truly special day, one that celebrates growth, talent, a spirit of our school. On behalf of management, trustees, teachers, and of course our lovely children, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you on this vibrant occasion. Thank you all for being here and adding more charm to this celebration. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Vijayalakshmi and Mrs. Asha to take over and begin the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Rashmi. Hello, everyone. I am Mrs. Vijayalakshmi, nursery teacher.
I am Mrs. Asha, nursery teacher. Now I request our president, Mr. Manjunath Gupta, our secretary, Mr. Vishwanath Gupta, our trustees, Mr. Shiv Prakash, Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Vijay Kumar to come on the dais. I kindly request our trustees to light the lamp and formally inaugurate our third annual day celebration. I also request Mrs. Vasudha and Mrs. Shweta to assist them. I request our audience to please rise for the auspicious ceremony of lighting the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, sir. I now request the dignitaries and audience to kindly take their seats. I warmly invite our teachers to start the program with a beautiful invocation song.
ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಮೂಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅಂಧಕಾರವ ಮೂಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಳಿಸು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ನೆಲಸು ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಲಿಸು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ನೆಲಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯಲೆಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯಲೆಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲಿ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ.
Thank you, teachers, for the divine song. Now I request Mrs. Prithvi V. Ganesh to welcome the gathering.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Standing before this magnificent gathering fills my heart with immense joy and deep honor. Today, we come together not just as an audience, but as one large Tiny Steps family, united to celebrate a truly momentous occasion. We are here to mark the glorious third annual day celebration of our school, an occasion that shines like a milestone in our institution's journey. This day is precious to all of us, for it reflects 19 remarkable years of dedication, growth, learning, and the relentless pursuit of excellence in education since our inception in Srinagar in 2006. It stands as a tribute to the countless footsteps, small and big, that have shaped the Tiny Steps into what it is today. This honored dais is soon to witness a vibrant parade of talent, creativity, and youthful brilliance showcased by our wonderful children. Their energy and enthusiasm are the heartbeat of today's program. With great respect and warmth, I extend a grand welcome to our esteemed President, Mr. Manjunath Gupta, our Secretary, Mr. Vishwanath Gupta, our trustees, Mr. Shivaprakash, Mr. Rajesh, Mr. Vijay Kumar, your presence today adds pace and dignity to this occasion. My heartfelt greetings also go out to our beloved trustees and their family, whose unwavering support continues to strengthen our school's vision. A warm and affectionate welcome to all our dear parents. Your encouragement, trust, and constant support have been the pillars that help us move forward with confidence and hope. A special and joy-filled welcome to all our shining stars, our children. You are the future we believe in, the dream we nurture, and the pride we celebrate. Today, As you come on the stage with your vibrant performances, may your talent brighten this hall and fill every heart with delight. I also extend a sincere and respectful welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Tiny Steps. Your dedication, hard work and commitment have been the guiding force behind our success. With immense pride and gratitude, I forward a cheerful and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you who have gathered here to make the celebration meaningful and memorable. I would like to invite our chairman, Mr. K. Rajkumar, onto the dais. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Kannada.
Me for a warm welcome. Now I request our chairman, Mr. Rajkumar sir, to talk few words about the program.
Good evening, everybody. It's a chill evening, and you have made it to the school day promptly. Thank you. We started the school 3 years back, and it is moving forward every year. Our teachers and administrators are doing their best to give a very good education at our school. If you have anything to say about the school, you are always welcome. Our first school was started 19 years back, and it is progressing very well. Now we have gone to our school, and the kids are getting simple and beautiful education. We hope that you like our school and our administrators' decisions on monthly celebrations and today's school day celebration. Whatever you feel, if anyone have to speak, you may come and talk to our administrator. Thank you all for coming. Good evening.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our president, Mr. Manjunath Gupta, sir, to overview the annual report for the academic year 2025-26.
Sir, good evening, everybody. I welcome all of you to this beautiful function of third annual day celebrations. You are all aware of it, that this is our third year. We have started this school in the year 2022-23. I welcome all of you for the celebrations. Celebration is a festival. We are doing a festival celebrations in the presence of full family, that is teachers, students, family members, parents, and most important, the grandparents of the children who like to see their children very happy, how they do, what all the activities they do in the school. That is their life, and that is the happiness they derive from the grandchildren's happiness. Sir, now the school strength, you are aware by your cooperation, it is 64 students in this academic year, with the 13 teachers of teaching staff, non-staff, and dedicated administrator, Rashmi Madam. I really thank her, Rashmi, for her hard work, and this is a witness of it, that when Rashmi's name is called, all get enthusiastic and clap for her. That is the best part of Rashmi Madam. vice versa, our first school where we have opened it is in Srinagar branch. We are always doing the maximum students admissions by almost 200 students, and for that Nandini is the administrator. If she is present over here, I really sincerely thank for her for making this such a good. Please, Bunny. Really, I thankful for the administrators. That is Rashmi in Chikkalsandra branch and Nandini in Srinagar branch. And for every person successful, there should be somebody who can motivate, who can feel confidence, and ask them to do whatever the best they can do for the school. For this, all the trustees are involved in that, and especially on this occasion, I like to bring to your knowledge how much trustees family dedicate for the upcoming of the school. They are Achyuta Lakshmi and Prithvi. I request them also come out to the stage, because without them nothing can be achieved. See, you may say that we have achieved 19 years or many number of years, but after they taking over from past 3-4 years, we are finding it lot of changes in the school's administration, in the school's curriculum, and in the school's success. I really dedicate this success to Achyuta Lakshmi Madam and Prithvi. Thank you, both of you. Sir, I always, when the management or when the teachers say or the administrators say to give the annual report presentation, I always say you are the rightful person, teachers are the rightful person to present the annual report. Why? Because the students can see their teachers, one, their parents and their grandparents who are involved in the total system can know what the teachers want to say and what is the annual report states, which is happening throughout the year. In all the 10 months, there will be some activity or the other activity. I want to hear from them, not me speaking over or reading over what they write it. We are knowing it, but I want to hear from them. Thank you very much, madam. I require all of you to do the annual report. Sir, I say only one thing on this occasion. The parents see only 4 things or 5 things to which school their children are going. What is that? That is how the teacher's involvement is there in bringing up their children. That is very important. That is the first point. And the second point is which trustees board is taking care of the school. That is very important, because trustees will put on a lot of things on the teachers, and they in return, if they don't deliver, the total system gets failed. So the trustees' vision, trustees' simplicity, trustees' future thinking is very important in bringing the things what is in our mind to be executed by the teachers or by the administrator. That is the second one. And the third one is that we management are always for the upcoming of the school, whatever it is only not the money we are involved or anything. For your kind information, we are working on break-even basis with no profits and no losses. We are putting all the money fund also to the development of the school, upcoming of the school, and what best we can give it to the children. That's all we are doing. This is for your kind information. And one more final thing, a parent has to see which school the children are going. The first thing is that children cannot express their unpleasantness or what they are not happy. It is the teachers has to understand what the uneasiness of the child is there, so that they can deliver them whatever is required. Because children are very innocent, they cannot express. See, this is the thing what is very much required, and our teachers are doing that in understanding the problems of the teacher and what best can be given to the children. This is 4 points. A parent has to take care to which school the teachers, their students are going. I request them to observe all this, and request all the parents to give the feedback, so that we can give the best of it and deliver the best to the students and make good of the school. Till now, the biggest asset of Chikkalsandra branch is the cooperation what the children's parents are what they are giving. I request them to continue the same thing. I request all of you to please promote our school, because it is your school. You promote and increase the admission so that we can deliver better things in the coming days. Our main branch, all of you know, was started in 2006, and today we celebrated in the morning 19th year of our celebrations. And on this, what education, what goodness, what culture we are developing. I want to give one example which I experienced in the morning with one of the parent of the child. They said only one thing, sir, when in the first year when I joined, and today my age is almost about 26 years. If in future I like my children to also get admitted in your school, sir, this is the promise I send. This is the testimony of what we are teaching. This is the testimony of what culture we are giving. This is the testimony of what best we are giving to the student. I request all of you to say tomorrow in coming days that yes, I have studied in tiny steps with lot of culture was given, and I am a good citizen of our country. This is all what I expect, sir. In advance, I am saying to you, I wish you a happy new year of 2026, and I pray God to bless all of you good health, wealth and happiness. Thank you. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka.
Warm welcome to our trustee, Mr. Subramanyam and Mr. Rajeshesh.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to everyone. I am Mrs. Shweta, the LKG teacher. I am delighted to present brief overview of curricular and co-curricular activities conducted in our school. Nurturing children talents and giving them opportunities to explore their abilities is an essential part of our curriculum. We appreciate our students' efforts, constantly encourage them to new horizons. A part of our curriculum, we also promote digital education, helping children to become confident learning, increasingly digital world. We live in fast-changing globalized era, driven by the technology. Understanding this, our school incorporates the benefits of digital learning by using audio-visual teaching aids that support the syllabus, ensure effective learning. Throughout the year, we conduct various competitions such as rhymes, shlokas, drawing, coloring, pick and speak, singing and craft. In addition to academics, we also organize several co-curricular activities including such as fancy dress competition, activity on stranger awareness, activity on healthy food and junk food, color identification, good manners, memory games, oral hygiene, mobile awareness, classroom rules and puppet shows. There is a saying, play is not a break from learning. It is an essential part of learning. To keep our children physically active, mentally refreshed, we encourage both indoor and outdoor sports. Our students enthusiastically participate in games such as stacking cups, balancing the ball, puzzle crossing, bowling, ball segregation, and many more. These activities play a vital role in promoting physical fitness, creativity, confidence, and overall holistic development of our children. When we play, we learn in happiest way. Thank you. Now I would like to call Mrs. Asha, nursery teacher, to brief about Color Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Shweta. A warm welcome to everyone present here. I am Mrs. Asha, and I am delighted to share a brief insight into the Colors Day celebrated in our school this year. Colors play a wonderful role in helping children observe and understand the world around them. As a part of Color Day celebration, our tiny learners explored the beautiful shades of brown and purple with great excitement. Brown Color Day. Brown, an earthly and warm color, open a world of discovery for our children. They joyfully observed and identified various brown objects such as brown chocolates, brown teddy bears, wooden toys, tree bars, and many more real life items. These meaningful interactions help them connect the color brown to the natural and familiar things around them. Purple Color Day. Our little ones were equally delighted to explore the charm of the lovely purple color. They identified and enjoyed looking at purple flowers, purple butterflies, grapes, and purple decorative objects. This colorful exploration allowed them to appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of purple in their environment. Hands-on learning through art and craft. Both days were brimming with hands-on art and craft session that sparkled curiosity and creativity. Through playful exploration, our young learners discovered the beauty and significance of colors in the world around them. Each activity became a memorable experience, encouraging them to express themselves, think creatively, and discover the magic of learning. We hope you enjoy this vibrant glimpse into their colorful journey. Now I would like to invite my colleague to share about the festival celebration held in our school. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Asha. Hello, everyone. I am Mrs. Vasudha, LKG teacher, and I am delighted to share with you how we at the Tiny Steps celebrated various festivals with our little learners. Throughout the year, we joyfully celebrated important festivals and special days with our children. Krishna Janmashtami. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Benne Priya Namma Bala Gopala. On this day, our kids dress up as little Radha and little Krishna. Ganesha Chaturthi. Vignaharta Vinayaka. Our kids offered flower and fruits to Lord Ganesha. Dasara, Satya Dharmada Jivana Vijaya Habba. We celebrated Nada Habba Dasara by displaying Dasara dolls, which included the Mysore Dasara procession, the world famous Jambu Savari. We also had the Dashavataram doll. Deepavali, Andakara Nashana, Belakina Habba. We gave handcraft diyas to children, which symbolize the removal of darkness and ignorance and lighting of knowledge and positivity. Independence Day. Swatantrya Spurti, Namma Bharata Shakti. Children learnt about our national symbols and understood their importance in fostering patriotism. Children's Day. As a part of Children's Day celebration, we joyfully introduce the types of transport. Our little ones dress up as different modes of transport, such as land, water, and air transport, making the day colorful and exciting. Each celebration helps our little ones learn about our culture, traditions, and the spirit of unity and joy. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Vijayalakshmi, our nursery teacher, to brief you about discipline, punctuality, and cleanliness. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Vasudha. Hello, everyone. At The Tiny Steps, we believe education is not just about imparting knowledge, it is also about instilling values such as discipline, punctuality, and cleanliness. Being punctual is an important habit that we encourage from the very beginning of the academic year, whether it is arriving at school on time or following timely routines, including meal time. Speaking of meals reminds me of cleanliness. Our children are taught to eat healthy food and junk food is not entertained in school. Our caretakers guide the children to eat neatly while regular checks of uniforms, shoes, nails, and hairs are conducted to maintain overall hygiene. All of this is only possible with the support of our dear parents, and we sincerely thank you for it. We also nurture faith and a sense of security, which form the backbone of our children's growth. Traditional Indian scientific knowledge expressed through devotion is an important part of our curriculum. Children are taught shlokas and we organize temple visit to seek divine blessings, fostering the belief that they are always protected. In conclusion, I would like to say that we have left no stone unturned in ensuring that our students are well prepared to take the next step in life and face future challenges confidently. Our motto, "Yes, we can achieve," has come alive this year, and today I am proud to say, yes, we have achieved. This success is possible because of the togetherness of the Tiny Steps family, our management, staff, and parents. We value your feedback and support to continue growing as an esteemed institution. Kindly appreciate us when we do well, guide us when we falter, and share your expectations so we can strive us to achieve more, while always supporting us as you have in the past years. We request you to share your experiences and help promote admissions. Because at that tiny step, we all belong to one family. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you.
Jai Vasavi. A very good evening to one and all present here. Our Tiny Steps management always recognizes the dedication of our administrators, teaching and non-teaching staff towards our children. We believe it is our duty to thank and honor them. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our administrator, Mrs. Rashmi, for her hard work, positive attitude, tireless efforts, and for always being helpful and supportive to our teachers and caretakers. Our sincere gratitude to all our teachers. As we all know, they are the first safe adults outside the home whom our children meet, whisper their first words, trust their voice, hold their hands when they feel unsafe. Preschool teachers shape an entire childhood. Apart from teaching ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, they teach children how to share, how to wait, how to express feelings, and how to try again. These are life skills that children carry forever. Children learn these values from their teachers who help shape them into kind and confident human beings. Your work truly makes a lifelong difference, often invisible to many, but unforgettable to a child. Before any engineers, doctors, professors, artists, leaders, there is a teacher who taught them to speak. Thank you once again to all our teaching staff of our Tiny Steps. We would now like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to our caretakers who are like Ele Marayakai, fruits behind the leaves, always present, gentle and essential in a child's daily life. They are constantly there for your child, consoling and comforting them when they need, feeding them when they are hungry, changing diapers. They never get upset, always smiling, allowing the child to feel at ease, to explore things on their own. Their quiet care and constant presence make a world of difference in a child's early years. Now I request our administrator, teaching staff and non-teaching staff to please come forward to share the dais and accept a small token of appreciation as a gesture of our gratitude for your dedication and love. Firstly, I request our administrator, Mrs. Rashmi Ravi, to please come to the dais. our play home teacher, Mrs. Sahana Dikshit. Our nursery teachers, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi. Mrs. Asha. Our LKG teachers, Mrs. Shweta. Mrs. Vasudha. Our UKG teacher, Mrs. Swapna Nagraj. Our non-teaching staff, Mrs. Girija. Mrs. Priya. Mrs. Divya. Mrs. Netra. And Mrs. Pavitra. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. I now call upon Mrs. Sahana Dikshit and Mrs. Swapna Nagraj to start the cultural program.
Good evening, dear parents.
I request all the dignitaries to
present here.
Good evening, dear parents.
I am Mrs. Sahana.
I am Mrs. Swapna.
Before we begin today's program, we would like to invite Mrs. Achyutalakshmi ma'am and Prithvi ma'am on the stage. Please come forward and bless the program with your presence and positivity. Ma'am, your guidance, your encouragement and continuous support give us the strength to do our best every day. Because of you, we work with confidence and happiness. We are truly thankful to have such kind and supportive management. As a small token of love and respect from our teachers and administration, we would like to present this to both of you. Your trust and support make all our efforts meaningful. This program feels special because of you. Thank you so much for everything, ma'am. Program will begin shortly, and we are truly excited to showcase the hard work, talent and enthusiasm of our little star. Before we begin, we kindly request your cooperation to help the program run smoothly.
Please remain seated throughout the event and avoid coming to the front to take photos or videos. Our professional cameraman, Mr. Arun Kumar, will be capturing every precious moment with highly quality digital equipment, ensuring you have beautiful memories to take home. Thank you, Arun sir and team, for your support. Let's cheer and encourage all our children as they take the stage with confidence and joy.
After your child's performance, we will make an announcement inviting you to proceed to the backstage area to pick them up. Whenever we call for drop-off or pick-up, please follow the instructions and move towards the backstage area calmly and promptly.
Now, it's time to sit back, relax and experience yourself in the magic of the Tiny Steps 3rd year annual day celebrations. Let's fill the hall with smile, applause and love as we begin this wonderful program.
Are you holding the Ganesha idol so tightly? It looks you are about to make him dance.
Oh no, my teacher taught me a Ganesha song today, but I have completely forgot the lyrics.
Not even one line.
No.
If I know it, I will sing it for you.
I remember only the tune.
La 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 la.
Yeah, but the words I have disappeared.
That's okay. Our tiny singers will help you today.
Oh, really? Will they know the song?
I'm sure they will. And even if not, it will be super cute.
Now I'm excited.
Then let's not wait. Let's welcome our little stars.
Please welcome our playgroup, nursery and LKG children with the song Vinayaka Vinayaka.
you, children. This performance was given by Achintya Navaratna from playgroup, Krishvi Shivraj Yarnal, Shaurya S, Vagmi Raghavendra Padki from nursery, and Vishrut Mathat from LKG. Turn right side.
Sahana, do you feel something magic is about to happen on stage?
Yes, Swapna. It's time for grace and tradition to meet Bharatanatyam.
Yes, Sahana, Bharatanatyam, born in Tamil Nadu and described in Natya Shastra. Bharatanatyam blends bhava, expression, raga, melody, thala, rhythm, and natyam, drama, to tell beautiful stories.
And today our little dancers will showcase their charm, confidence, and joy through this classical art form.
Shall we welcome them, Sahana?
Absolutely. Let's not keep our audience waiting. Please welcome our Natya Mayuris with a big cheerful round of applause.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशि कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासि धीं तारा जतुलतो प्राणमे नाट्यं चेसे गतुलतो नाम शतं मूल नतुलतो नापैन नी चूपु आपेला నా ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే కోవెలగా నిన్ను కొలువుంచా జీవముతో భావముతో సేవలు చేసా ప్రతి ఋతువు ప్రతి కృతువు నీవని ఎంచా సతతము నీ స్మరణే ధీం తానా జతులతో ప్రాణమే నాట్యం చేసే గతులతో నామ శతం మూల నతులతో నాపైన నీ చూపు ఆపేలా శరణంటినే జనని నాద వినోదిని భువన పాలినివే అనాథ రక్షణ నీ విధి కాదటే మొరవిని చేరవటే
Hey Swapna, why are you watching the sky so carefully?
Sahana, I'm searching for the moon. I heard it's running across the sky today.
Running. Why would the moon run?
Because today's song is
Chandra. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವನಮ್ಮ.
It's all about the fun, magic, and imagination of the moon.
Yes, this song is full of playful moments and lovely expressions.
And our little performers are all set to bring the magic alive on the stage. Presenting the delightful and charming Chandiranetake Oduvanamma dance. Let's welcome our tiny stars to the stage.
ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಹಿಂಗಿದಾರಳೆಯು ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಮೋಡಗಳಾಗಿ ಹವೆ. ಹಿಂಗಿದಾರಳೆಯು ಗಾಳಿಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಮೋಡಗಳಾಗಿ ಹವೆ. ಅರಳೆಯು ಮುತ್ತಿ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಬಿಗಿಯುವವೇ. ಅರಳೆಯು ಮುತ್ತಿ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಿ ಚಂದ್ರನ ಬಿಗಿಯುವವೇ. ಚಂದ್ರನ ಬಿಗಿಯುವವೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಮಂಜಿನ ಗಡ್ಡೆಯ ಮೋಡವು ಕರಗಲು ಚಂದಿರ ನಗುತ್ತಿಹನು. ಮಂಜಿನ ಗಡ್ಡೆಯ ಮೋಡವು ಕರಗಲು ಚಂದಿರ ನಗುತ್ತಿಹನು. ಕರಗಿದ ಮೋಡದ ಸೆರೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಯುತ್ತ ಬಾನಲಿ ತೇಲುವನು. ಕರಗಿದ ಮೋಡದ ಸೆರೆಯನ್ನು ಹರಿಯುತ್ತ ಬಾನಲಿ ತೇಲುವನು. ಬಾನಲಿ ತೇಲುವನು. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ. ಚಂದಿರನೆನ್ನಯ ಗೆಳೆಯನು ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನೊಡನಾಡುವನು. ಚಂದಿರನೆನ್ನಯ ಗೆಳೆಯನು ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನೊಡನಾಡುವನು. ನಾನು ಓಡಲು ತಾನು ಓಡುವ ಚೆನ್ನಿಗ ಚಂದಿರನು. ನಾನು ಓಡಲು ತಾನು ಓಡುವ ಚೆನ್ನಿಗ ಚಂದಿರನು. ಚೆನ್ನಿಗ ಚಂದಿರನು. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೇ ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೇ.
A big thank you to our little stars for this lovely and captivating performance. This presentation was performed by Achintya Navratna, Advik Kurandwad, Kushi Sagar, Eshmita BM, Abhiram M. Karan, Arnav Simha, Ayanalli Dashnil from Playgroup. Sahana, I just heard thinking about Lord Krishna. His flute, his mischiefs, and his beautiful leelas.
Yes. Just hearing the word of Krishna fills our hearts with a devotion and joy.
Exactly. And today our tiny dancers are going to show the divine charm through the Mukunda Murare dance.
Filled with the grace, devotion, and the magic of Krishna's energy.
Presenting the soulful and divine Mukunda Murare dance. Let's welcome our little performers to the stage.
నాట్యమాడి
performance is beautifully showcased by Aditya M, Visrud Mathad, Maurya R, Sanvi M, Nayana S, Sihi Lokesh, Parnika, Himarashmi UP, Sangappa Vihana from LKG. Why are you standing like a heroine staring at the sky?
Because, Swapna, today the moon looks just like in the movies. Soft lightning, slow motion, magical tunes.
Full filmy mood. Are you going to sing or tell tongue twisters? Chandu ki chachane chandu ki chamche se chatani chatai.
Exactly. I was practicing expressions, but those tongue twisters get me every time. Chandu ki chacha ne chamche se chamcha se what?
Are, cut. Retake.
Full movie set vibes.
But our little dancers don't need retakes. They are ready with perfect expressions and energy.
Presenting the fun-filled, filmy and adorable Chanda Chamke dance. Let's welcome our tiny stars with a big round of applause.
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
खड़क खड़क के खड़के खिड़की खड़क सिंह का खड़के जोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता पका पेड़ या पका पपीता पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना
चंदा चीनी
चमके चाटे
चौकन्ना चीखे चोर
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
Smiles all around with the delightful moves. our tongue-twisting performance present by our adorable nursery stars are Truti B. Nayak, Vihan Kulkarni, A.S. Mokshit Maurya, Shwiti S., Samanvita Shrikant, Shaurya S., Joshi, Vagmi Raghavendra Pataki, Nachiket B.K. from nursery.
Why are you waving the Indian flag so excitedly?
I just heard a group practicing a super energetic patriotic dance backstage. Now I am curious which dance it is.
Oh wow! Did you catch the name of the song?
That's the problem. I heard the beats, tune, but the name slipped out of my mind.
Strong beat, patriotic vibe, sounds interesting. Do you think our kids are performing that one?
I have a strong feeling, Sahana. Our tiny stars always give us a surprise.
Then let's not keep anyone waiting. Dear audience, get ready to witness a burst of energy, colors and pride.
Yes, let's welcome our super talented playgroup kids as they present the vibrant dance performance.
Made in India.
देखी है सारी दुनिया, जापान से लेके रशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अमेरिका। देखा है प्यार का सपना, दिल चाहे कोई अपना, मिल जाए घर एक साथिया, एक देसिया। मेरे इंडिया, एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरे इंडिया। ओ मेरे इंडिया, एक प्यारा सोनिया, एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरे इंडिया। तन गोरा हो या काला, पर हो सच्चा दिल वाला, चांदी नहीं सोना नहीं कोई हीरा। दिल जिसका हिंदुस्तानी, नहीं कोई इंग्लिस्तानी, रात और दिन मुझे प्यार कोई करने वाला। मेरे इंडिया, एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरे इंडिया। ओ मेरे इंडिया, एक प्यारा सोनिया, एक दिल चाहिए रस मेरे इंडिया।
Orchestra.
कैसी है यार अमीरी, कैसी दिलदार गरीबी, अच्छा है क्या क्या है बुरा मुझको
spectacular Made in India act is elegantly showcased by our enthusiastic performers Nishwika P.A., Jatin Krish Velpula, Samit R., Yakkala Jivika, Srihari S., M. Lohit, Sangappa Joshwik, Shaivi Swaroop, Bhavish Gowda from Playgroup.
Are you holding that small pot?
Oh Sahana, that reminds me of a Pongal festival. These colorful the colorful rangolis, the sweet Pongal and all the celebrations.
Yes. Pongal is the festival where we thank the sun and cows and nature for giving us such a good harvest. It's truly a beautiful celebration.
Exactly. And you know what makes Pongal even more special?
What's that, Swapna?
The joyful Pongal dance that shows our tradition, energy and happiness.
Absolutely. Our little performers are ready to bring that festive spirit to the stage.
Presenting the vibrant and joyful Pongal dance. Let's welcome our performers with a big round of applause.
Devansh A, Anaira Hegde, Saket HS, Shambhavi S, Hasini Yadva A, Virat P, Krishvi Shivraj Yarnal, Nand Kishore R, from nursery. Thank you, children. Look lost in thoughts. What are you thinking?
I was thinking about the beautiful story behind Nirvana Shatakam. Do you know how it come into the world?
No, I only know it's a very divine chant. What's the story?
Sahana, long ago, when Adi Shankaracharya was just a young boy, he went in the search of Guru. He met a great saint, Guru Govinda Pada, near the Narmada river. The Guru asked him a simple question, who are you?
And what did Adi Shankaracharya answer?
Nirvana Shatakam. Let's welcome our UKG children for their recitation.
by Adi Shankaracharya. He did not mention his name, his age, or anything about his body.
Instead, he answered in the form of these 6 powerful verses. He said, I am not the body, not the mind, not fear, not anger. I am pure bliss. I am Shiva. From this wisdom, across the Nirvana Shatakam, guiding souls to liberation.
Now I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Achyutalakshmi ma'am for her dedication in teaching Nirvana Shatakam ma'am. Ma'am, your commitment, patience and passion for preserving our culture and spiritual heritage truly inspire us. Because of your guidance, the students not only learned the verses but also understood their deeper meaning. Once again, thank you so much, ma'am. Was a very soul-touching devotional song that filled the entire atmosphere with peace and divinity. Performed by Inara Kanunga, Riya G, Sutej Patil, Viren Kushal Gowda, Namasvi, Yuvansh A, Pratvish Bhatt, Rishika Kashyap from UKG. Thank you, children. Now, why are you standing so silently with your hands folded?
Sahana, I was feeling the divine energy of Lord Shiva, the rhythm of the Damaru, the power of Shiva Shiva Shankara.
Yes. Just hearing his name fills our hearts with a strength and devotion.
Exactly. And today, our performance is going to show the power, grace and divine vibration.
Our little dancers are ready to bring Lord Shiva spirit alive on stage.
Presenting the energetic and devotional Shiva Shiva Shankara dance. Let's welcome our powerful performance.
शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा ओम परमेश्वरा परा ओम जीवेश्वरेश्वरा कररारा ओम मंत्रेश्वरा स्वरा ओम यंत्रेश्वरा स्थिरा शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा ఆకాశలింగమై ఆవహించరా ఢమ ఢమ ఢమమని డమరుక ధ్వని సలిపి జడతని వదిలించరా శ్రీవాయులింగమై సంచరించరా అణువణువున తన తనువున నిలిచి చలనమే కలిగించరా భస్మం చేసే అసురునే అగ్నిలింగమై ప్రవికార వరదై ముంచై జలలింగమై ఘోరా వరమై వదమై ప్రబలమౌ లింగమై బలమిడరా జగమే నడిపే పంచభూతలింగేశ్వర కరుణించరా శివ శివ శంకర హర హర శంకర జయ జయ శంకర దిగిరారా ప్రియ తాండవ శంకర ప్రకట శుభంకర ప్రళయ భయంకర దిగిరారా
Shankara performance that filled the entire hall with devotion and power. Presented by Arya Kashyap, Pavan Kalyan Y, G. Jnanaditya, Atharv MG, Satvik Ram Bharatwaj from LKG, and A. Yuvansh, Viren Kushal Gowda, Sutej Patel, Pratvish Bhatt from UKG.
Called upon to share the feedback. So my only feedback is I really want to, with all my heart, I want to say thank you to all the teachers and the staff who've been taking care of my daughters so lovingly, like their own daughter. I have no complaints at all with the school, with the teachers and the staff. So wonderful. The best part is I get to see what she's doing in the school on the phone. That's the best part. I was worried about all the time, like how she'll perform, what she'll do, but I get to know everything on the phone. That is the best thing ever. And I love the part that every week they have some activities, every month they have something or the other to keep the children so happy and engaged. And with their academic thing, they are, they're balancing both the things. So I'm really, really happy with the school.
ಏನ್ರಿ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾಕ್ರಿ
ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವುದು
ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಂತಲ್ಲ
ಫೋರ್ಟಾ ಓ ಕೋಟೆ
ಹಾ ಹೌದು
ಓ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೇನು
ಹಾ ಹೌದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರೇನ್ರಿ
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
ನಿಮ್ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಕೋಟೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ
ಗೊತ್ತ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ರಿ ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ್ದು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದ ಕೋಟೆ ರೀ
ಹೌದಾ
ಹೌದು
ಇನ್ನೇನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಕಿ ಓಬವ್ವ ನಕಿ ಇದ್ಲು ಆಕಿನ ಗಂಡನ ಹೆಸರು ಮುದ್ದು ಹನುಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಧುಕರಿ ನಾಯಕ ಅನ್ನೋನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಕೋಟೆನ ಆಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರಿ
ಹೌದಾ
ಹೌದ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವ್ಸ ಏನಾತಂದ್ರ ಹೈದರಾಲಿ ಸೈನ್ಯ ನುಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾಗ
ಹೈದರಾಲಿ ಸಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಿ ಕೋಟೆ ಒಳಗ್ ನುಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಹುಡುಕಿದಾರಿ
ಏನಾಯ್ತಾಗ
ಅವಾಗ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದನ ಬಂಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಕಿಂಡಿ ಇರ್ತದ ಆ ಕಿಂಡಿ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ದಾರಿ
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾತಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಕೋಟಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊತನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ
ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವನ ಕಿಂಡಿ
ಓಬ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೋಟೆ, ಸಿಡಿಲಿಗು ಬೆಚ್ಚದ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ಕೋಟೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೋಟೆ, ಸಿಡಿಲಿಗು ಬೆಚ್ಚದ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ಕೋಟೆ. ಮದಿಸಿದ ಕರಿಯ ಮದವಡಗಿಸಿದ ಮದಕರಿ ನಾಯಕರಾಳಿದ ಕೋಟೆ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಯು ಈ ಬೀಡು, ಸಿದ್ಧರು ಹರಸಿದ ಸಿರಿನಾಡು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ, ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ವೀರ ಮದಕರಿ ಆಳುತ್ತಲಿರಲು, ಹೈದರಾಲಿಯು ಯುದ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲು, ಕೋಟೆ ಜನಗಳ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಿರಲು, ಸತತ ದಾಳಿಯು ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಗಲು. ವೈರಿ ಚಿಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸವಳಿದ, ದಾರಿಗಾಣದೆ ಮಂಕಾದ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ, ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ಗೂಢಚಾರರು ಅಲೆದು ಬಂದರು, ಹೈದರಾಲಿಗೆ ವಿಷಯ ತಂದರು. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಕೋಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯುವ್ಯ ದಿಕ್ಕಿನೆಡೆ ನೋಡು ಎಂದರು. ಕಳ್ಳಗಂಡಿಯ ತೋರಿದರು, ಲಗ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಲು ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ, ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ಒನಕೆ ಹಿಡಿದಳು, ವೀರಗಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಂದಳು. ದುರ್ಗೆಯನ್ನು ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆದಳು, ಕಾಳಿಯಂತೆ ಬಲಿಗಾಗಿ ಕಾದಳು. ಯಾರವಳು ಯಾರವಳು, ವೀರವನಿತೆ ಆವೋಬವ್ವ. ದುರ್ಗವು ಮರೆಯದ ಓಬವ್ವ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ, ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ಕವಳುತ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಬೈರಿ, ಒನಕೆಯ ಬೀಸಿ ಕೊಂದಳು ನಾರಿ. ಸತ್ತವನನ್ನು ಎಳೆದು ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಂತಳು ಹಲ್ಲು ಮಸೆಯುತ್ತಾ. ಬೈರಿರುಂಡ ಚೆಂಡಾಡಿದಳು, ರಕುತದ ಕೋಡಿ ಹರಿಸಿದಳು. ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರರಮಣಿಯ, ಗಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ಹುಡುಕುತ್ತಾ ಕಾವಲಿನವನು ಗುಪ್ತದ್ವಾರದ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದನು. ಮಾತು ಹೊರಡದೆ ಬೆಚ್ಚಿದನು. ಹೆಣದ ರಾಶಿಯ ಬಳಿಯ ಕಂಡನು. ರಣಚಂಡಿ ಅವತಾರವನು ಕೋಟೆ ಸಲಹಿದ ತಾಯಿಯನು.
ಹೈದರಾಲಿಯ ಸೈನ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿದೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ರಣಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಊದಿ.
ಕಹಳೆಯನ್ನು ಊದುತ್ತಲಿರಲು ಸಾಗರದಂತೆ ಸೈನ್ಯ ನುಗ್ಗಲು ವೈರಿ ಪಡೆಯು ನಿಶ್ಶೇಷವಾಗಲು ದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಯವನ್ನು ತರಲು ಅಮರಳಾದಳು ಓಬವ್ವ ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದ ಓಬವ್ವ.
That was a wonderful performance. How beautifully skit was narrated by our children. Thank you, dear children. The act was performed by Devansh A from nursery, Visrut Mathad, Maurya R, Arya Kashyap, Bharnika, Himarashmi, Sanvi from LKG, A. Yuvansh, Viren Kushal Gowda, Sutej Patil, Inara Kanunga, Riya G from UKG. Thank you, dear children.
Request Mrs. Rashmi to deliver the oath of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. It is hard to believe that our vibrant celebration have come to an end. As I stand before you, it is my honor to be in the third annual day celebration of our school to grace conclusion. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. R. Vishnu Ganesh and Mrs. Achyuta Lakshmi and Mrs. Prithvi V. Ganesh for their constant support, encouragement and guidance which have helped make today's program a grand success. My sincere thanks to all our parents for their wonderful cooperation and for trust you place with us every day. I also express my deep appreciation to my beloved teachers who have been true backbone of this program, and to our dedicated staff who have worked tirelessly both on stage and behind the scenes to ensure smooth and seamless contact on this event. A very special appreciation goes to our little stars, the children, who stole our heart and truly light up today's celebration with their delightful performance. I would also like to thank our photographers, the audio team and the management of Vivian Trust for providing us with this beautiful venue to host our colorful and memorable third annual day celebration of the Tiny Steps. Finally, I extend my warm thanks to each one of you for being with us today, for encouragement and the contribution to the success of this wonderful program. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Now I request to stand for a national anthem.
अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।